what is HTML? HTML is hypertext markup language that we use to create web pages. So basically, with HTML, you will create HTML documents that our web browsers like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or anything like that will convert to web pages. Okay, simple enough, right? But what actually means hypertext inside of title hypertext markup language? Well, with HTML, you can create any number HTML documents. And inside of these documents, you can create hypertext or links. So basically, with links, you can be redirected from one web page to another web page. You know about this concept probably from any website on the internet, where you have buttons that you can click and you will be redirected from one web page to another web page. How to create HTML documents. HTML documents are basically text documents, so we can create it with any type of text editor. So we can use Notepad, Notepad++, Sublime, Visual Studio Code, or anything like this. Important thing that you should remember, when we are working with regular text files, we are using .txt extension. When you are working with Word documents, we are using .doc extension. So when we are working with HTML documents, we need to use .html extension for our files. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate or PayPal. Please remember, even a little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.